In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation. I have applied two modifiers, Array and Simple Deform Bend. This is how the original mesh looks like. To make this mesh, we need to create a cube. Tab to go to edit mode, and Ctrl R to place a loop cut. We need one more loop cut like this. 2 to edge select, and select this edge. Type G and Z to bring it down like this. 3 to face select, and remove this face. The array modifier with 15 counts, and we need the simply deform modifier next. Bend 360 degrees on the z-axis will do. On frame 1, hover on the 360 and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. We can change the 360 to 0, and set another keyframe on 100 like this. To have a looping animation, undo and set 360 degrees keyframes on frame 1 and 100. After that, set 360 degree keyframe on frame 50. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.